I say is we rolling. I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Rider. You see what I got going on, putting the glove on the wrong hand, but we got it right. Look, I got a treat for y'all today, so check this out. I'm over here at Ashley's Furniture here in Warner Robins, and one of my customers got a bad tire on the back of this BMW. It's the back driver tire. Now here go the catch. My camera only got 15 minutes of space left, so that gives us 15 minutes to record. If I don't finish this job, you know why. If I finish it all the way through, then you see I did that thing. So we finna be moving. We're against the clock. If y'all don't watch my videos, you know I knock out little car tires in like 10 minutes. So I should beat this real quick with no issues. This job officially starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We off the ground. Let's get it. I want to let the air out of that thing. He doesn't have any wheel locks or nothing on there, so it should be an 11/16 socket. Let's get it. Oh, this ain't no run flat. It feel like it too. Ah. It's definitely a run flat tire. I'm gonna knock it out though. No issues. We gonna knock him out. I'm sitting here thinking it's a standard tires that don't run flat. Watch me do my thing. Let's get it. The buddy system. Let's go. It might not be as bad as I thought it would now. Yes, sir. Let's go. It's hammer time. Let's get it. Let's get it. Two hits. I'm good, baby. Now this the challenge right here. Okay. It ain't as bad as I thought it would be. Let's take him off. If y'all hear that crying, that one of them customers over there, children. That ain't me. That is not me you hear. Let's go. Come on up out of there. Let's get it. Yes, sir. We good. No damage to the wheel. Cue the Angel Halo music. Take a moment for that lube, baby. If you made it this far in the video, that means my battery ain't died and I'm making good time. Let's get him. Shoot, I might want this one on. Don't tempt me now. Don't tempt me now. Come on. No bars needed. Put this core in. Come on. Let's go. They don't like me today for some reason. Let's go. We lined up perfect. Or at least I thought we were. Bro, I ain't putting this on. They can kick rocks. Here come my favorite part. They're gonna get him aired up. It's gonna pop one more time right there. I'm gonna put him about 35 in there. We're at 25. $35 on the head, let's go. Let's see what that clock say. See how much more time I had to play with. It probably already done cut off. 14 minutes, I literally have 1 minute left. Ladies and gentlemen, a success.